The classes and the extracurricular activities offered here at Lenape have really helped me develop skills such as teamwork and determination that I feel are really valuable to help me succeed outside of high school.
I've learned a lot of soft skills within my classes and from my teachers, such as public speaking, communication, and leadership. And all of these skills are very helpful in college and even in the workforce in our society as well.
At Lenape, I've strengthened my decision-making skills, my work ethic, and my interpersonal skills, and I'll be able to use all of these well after Lenape.
My extracurriculars at Lenape have helped me become a better leader and work well with others in different situations.
I'm currently the president of the National Honor Society, and I co-founded my own club, the Desi Student Association. Both leadership positions have shown me that I'm able to be confident in front of a lot of people and effectively communicate in front of them as well. And they have shown me that I'm able to use suggestions from my peers to further improve my leadership.
As a captain of the golf team and an upperclassman here at Lenape, I've learned how to communicate with the underclassmen and my teammates and form tight-knit bonds within the community.
The track and field program here at Lenape has really led me to grow as a person, a student, and as an athlete. It helped me to really value hard work and dedication, and also the friendships and the connections I've made with coaches, as well as my teammates.
Some community service I'm involved in at Lenape is I'm a member of National Honor Society and Hero Club. So with this, I have learned that I really enjoy helping people, and I want to pursue a career that will do this.
Staff at Lenape are always there when you need them. Whether it's my guidance counselor or some of my teachers from the previous years that I've built some strong bonds with, they're always there to help me succeed.
The rigorous honors and AP courses available at Lenape definitely help me feel prepared for college. I know what to expect in terms of the rigor and the pacing and the workload. And of course, the counseling department here at Lenape helped me feel prepared for the college application process.
The great science program we have here, which consists of classes like AP Bio, AP Physics, and AP Chemistry, and the amazing teachers that facilitate and teach those programs have really led me to my interest of marine and environmental science here at Lenape.
I feel that Lenape has given me all the tools that I've needed to be successful in any situation I may find myself in after graduation.
I feel very confident in being successful after high school because I feel like I have built a great foundation in terms of my character, my work ethic, and my academics. And I believe that I'll be able to build upon this foundation in college and become a better person.
I think I'll be successful. I really don't have any doubts, whether it's running my own business or being a manager in some corporate business or owning a golf course. I know I have a purpose and I can't wait to fulfill it.